Welcome back to World Master Tutorials. Today we are diving into the world of tables and charts in Microsoft Word. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to enhance your Word skills, this tutorial is for you. Okay, let's start it with the tables. To insert a table, go to the Insert tab into the here there and click on the table. Okay, so you can select the number of rows and columns by dragging the cursor. So let's use the three by three tables. I can just easily use it. So now that we have inserted these tables. So now click inside the cells and to enter your data. So let's fill with this some simple data. Okay. So first one is, let's use the here. If I want to say this will be the name, and if I say age, and let me use the country, this one. Okay. So now that we have now these tables. So so to format your table, select it and go to the table design tab, and here you can choose the different styles, and you can also the colors, also the borders. For example, let's use the different styles over here. Now that we have the different styles, and here I will choose these styles to change also. Let me use the also change the border styles over here. And when I using now, you can see it changes here with the border styles by selecting or just dragging here. And now that you can see, we have now the different styles over. Okay. So here now let me click over here, and also, and you can adjust the slide of your table by dragging the borders. And to align your table, use the alignment options in the layout tabs. Okay. So here we have the alignment tab over here. You can enter the table, align it to the left or right, depending on your preferences. Okay. So this way you can easily use it, and by selecting the table, you can use the table design or table design these steps a layout for using the more options. Like if you want to split the table, you can easily do here. If you want to insert the another row, by selecting over here, right clicking over here, and use the insert, like you can use the insert below. Now that we have another rows, and same way if you want to insert the columns, by right clicking over here, insert, and use the insert, like insert column to the right. Now that you can see we have the another columns and add it in there. Okay, so this way you can easily work with your tables. And if you want to delete also the tables, by selecting, and if you want to delete the row, by selecting over here, right click and use the delete cell. Use here the delete cells, like here the delete cells into the there. Now you can see it can be easily deleted this way. Okay. Now let's move on the creating charts. Charts are perfect for visualizing data and making your documents more engaging. So insert the charts, like you can easily click over or just take a cursor and go to the insert tabs here, and this tab select the charts of just using this way, and the you will see a variety of charts types, and like the columns and line I or the bar charts the different way. So we'll start with the basics like the column charts, and we can easily use it. So and hit on the OK. Many Excel window will open like this way for you and to enter your data. So let's input some simple data here. If I want to say this will be the, if I say this is the product, or here this one, or we can just say the product or I can just easily use it's a product A or product A, and this could be the product here the product B. So when I'm changing here, now you can see it also changed into our charts. Okay, so and you can change here the data, like if I wanna say this is the sales, or I can just say the January. I will use this February, and this is the March sales data. So now that we have found the difference one, once you have entered your data, you can easily close the Excel window, and your chart will be updated automatically this way. Okay, so now before that I want to undo it. If you want to customizing charts, you can easily customize, like click on the charts and use the chart design, and from there you can change the chart styles over here, or whatever you reserve for your chart styles. Like if I wanna use the simple one here, like this one, if you want to change the colors by selecting the change colors, and you can have the different colors, or if you want to change the layout by using the quick layout, and here you can have the different layout with these selections. Okay, and here I am changing the styles and also the colors to match our tables. Or before that, what I'm gonna do, I can easily use it this one. Okay, you can also add the chart elements, like titles and also the levels by using here from here. Exist titles, chart titles, data levels. If you want to use, you can have these times items and the chart elements with these selections. Okay, so this way you can easily use it and arrange your table and chart side by side, or one above or another, by using, like if I wanna use this one, before that I want to resize it. Now click over the layout options this way. I want to use this way also, and same thing, I want to use layout by using here the different layout over here, or let me select also this one, and you can have the different layout, or I can just take over here, and you can easily work or wherever you want to keep it this one. Okay, so let me resize this one, and I can easily text to the here very easily. Okay, so and if you want to insert the captions, you can easily do it by, like if you want to insert the chart options by right clicking over here, use the insert caption, and here you can use the caption, like this is the figure one, or a level one, level. If you want to level it, you can easily level it with the captions options. Okay, so and this is, you have learned how to work with tables and charts in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next time.